What kind of joke you have there?
No, big up, but a good thing I never give up. Come here, sweetheart. I want to see you put your hand up. You have a hard for your relationship mash up. Young boy, where are you?
Number one job.
You get one with it.
What that I make me do?
See that strong up and prevent our mouth from long up. You have to see how quick she swallow it. All you have to do now is follow it.
Use this sound, guys.
Where you say you
They're jealous.
You jealous?
Oh, yeah, so they're bad blood clot jealous.
So you're a woman then?
Oh, see my woman,
Don't point on the people, woman.
You hear that?
Don't point on the people, woman.
What's the one? They're jealous.
Alright, I'm boss.
Tiny thing, me like the girl look like the tiny thing. The same drink a burn off, y'all get them pussy burn off, give them a ride by without the turn off. The same drink a Malta, I'll pass up one shot up on the altar. Strong like the rock at Gibraltar. The girl them say the man them drink this one bottle of Red Bull. I wake up in a bed with this Red Bull. Oh, that sounds Wednesday, now go down. Check out and give me for the Thursday. Sunday, fire for the boy, them a run, go put them tongue there. Tell me them a DJ and a sing and them a hungry. Gunshot me give them from Sunday to Sunday. Hold on, no man, that one a name. Hey, your baby meat, and hey, your taste the meat. You're gone, move, you're gone, where? You're gone, move, you're gone, where? Hey, you get coffee wine. Turn around here, 69. You're gone, move, you're gone, where? You're gone, move, you're gone.
Jamaica Foot Patrol .1 siren.
Clad in Jamaica new police jeep. Squaddy. 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 Yeah. Squaddy. Clad new police jeep. Back by what shed, man, you see police jeep going up. Yeah. That is it, my boss.
Hey, not 13, come on, sit there, no. Yeah, I want to honor so. Yeah. Liberate can't be enough, you know. I remember my body, Yeah. I'm in here. Best game I ever. You know, him is the richest. The Prime Minister of the Caribbean, the last person, and to resign. And that was you know, fight. Hey, you're 3 million Jamaican. 3 million Jamaican, they're part. We're not busy about who will feel with politics. Jamaica run by people. And that people them there. Take what them gonna kill them with it. The trouble them busy about them. I break the top. Let me young them the blood class something, you know. They're back on it. I break the blood class. But Jamaica say. And the Queen control me, you know. The monarch, you know. And control the whole of me, you know.
One Jerry. One comrade Jerry. One comrade
Jerry. The
Jerry.
Queen that deal with paper and jail, they never know that this is. Buster man. And Diamond man, they come up from World War II. But regulate Jamaica, Queen Elizabeth, and I play with our things, you know.
Queen Elizabeth.
The second.
King around the place now.
I'm sorry. You begin to own him, though.
Right now, if you are your girl left, you know, you can't know what they with him, you know. Yeah, nothing now, me and him done today. A taxi boy out from the base. You know, a man never go to you know. You know what you want. Now they have to reach out Nickel and State and look at the girl. The girl, what's going on now?
Boy, you don't know the girl where you go.
Go on and
You man know go girl. Alright.
Yeah, what is that?
Girl. Woman. Everything about the house, you know, who call to him, you know, who like him and you know who he like.
Yeah, true.
You know, say woman do you see there? If man you left, you know say taxi boy that base or the plaza that look me.
And him not going too bad.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. Where me my left, you know, where me my say. Oh, you can't get the girl, say rascal. You got to book out like stone now. Oh, we have to see a girl. But me make sure tell him that. Watch out.
You got something to say, yeah, with them that.
Cut your go like stone. Woman like when you left them, you lonely. You like when you say you don't find a woman. You love them and sit where they like. Come on about boy. can't love no more man, no more girl but you, you know. As a girl tap love me so book, me tap love me so back. Right away. As a hate me nine you. Don't do love you? You don't love me? Girl boy, that's what I love. Look up and me know me that day, you know. And then you someone saying?
Who's what?
I'd rather have bad time with you with good wine someone else.
Oh, yeah, someone
Man, I say brother in a stand with the girl more cool and what? Woman, me?
People see her there, she a backbiter. See her there, done with her, backbiter. But see true she have in her blood clot false teeth now, make she feel like she has somebody. And then them go put on wig on her head so she feel like she has somebody.
No, I'm used to wig.
Them put on wig for your head. Normally a wig them look like suck your mother wig. My teeth drop out, take time talk.
Your blood clot, bumper clot teeth look like suck your mother teeth. And I run on your blood, now my parents run on your blood clot, your father, dirty boy, and then bat you.
Lara, we are listening to that.
Lara the warrior. Well, Lara, the West celebrity, we call Superman to Alice Society. Apparently, West Virginia, you bring the blood clot.
Where?
You take me by blood clot.
Me say guys, also man do I use Sheena and video Sheena every day and make money off of Sheena. See? And now protect Sheena and put him in one good place when nobody can catch him to hurt him. See? Cause they say Sheena bite off Philip too. And all I'm putting there for use that he come put on TikTok say Sheena do. Then he come back and say Sheena bite off one man finger. Be an old man you got to fuck Sheena before you look at a young little boy get Sheena to settle along with. See? Cause Sheena make money for him, pan him live and pan him content them. If you take down bumbo class Sheena video them and find blood clot TikTok page and go suck out him mama. Because if I know Sheena, he can't survive. And Sheena people him love. See? If you tap use Sheena and got Sheena in yard too. Cause every day in video Sheena and now put him a good place. Can't go sound look abandoned house. That man can't kick down the door and take a Sheena. Camp on bumbo class road, go and fuck Sheena in her body. See? Like some waste, man. And Sheena take it for joke and Jamie take it for joke. And I know say if people them I say he might use Sheena. He might use Sheena for truth. He go jump through him mama and take down Sheena via them and find blood clot page. Cause first of all, nobody never catch David catch Sheena to lick him down with bike and be a fuckery. Cause bike I hit down Sheena too. Me I say if he kill Sheena, we might go bumbo clot do and who might go video next. If you go suck out him mama and take down the bumbo clot, girl bumbo clot video and find blood clot page.